Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. So this video is all about what are the good characteristics of planet Saturn. Saturn is a tough master. Most of the people fearful for Saturn because he will be giving some kind of punishments and challenges in the planetary period of Saturn. This is because of for your own good. This is because for the reason that the kind of deeds that you have performed in the previous life and the current life denotes the actions of planet Saturn in your life. Most of the people learn most of people learns the lessons in a very hard way, and also planet Saturn is basically a karmic planet, so it gives results as per your karma means the actions that you perform on day-to-day basis. If at all you want to have good blessings of planet Saturn, you have to value your time. You have to give, you have to be patient enough, you have to practice discipline, you have to practice punctuality. Okay, these are all the good characteristics of planet Saturn. In fact, these kind of qualities you can get from planet Saturn only. Okay, so the people who are very disciplined and who are recognized, who got rewards and who got promotions at their workplace are all because of planet Saturn. Because planet Saturn is the karaka for career and profession. Your professional success is depends upon the placement of Saturn in your birth chart. And also the D10 chart also matters a lot. The placement of Saturn in the D10 chart also denotes the kind of career you will be taking it up, the kind of professions you will be taking it up, denotes the planetary alignment of the Saturn's alignment in your birth chart. And even in the D9 chart, what exactly the planets situating in the Capricorn, what are the planets situating in the Aquarius. So this matters a lot. Which is your 10th house? Who is your ascendant? What is the relation between the 10th house lord and the ascendant lord? Which nakshatra the planets in the 10th house are situated? And what is the nakshatra of planet Saturn in your birth chart? That denotes your success or failure in your life. And most importantly, everybody for that matter undergoes Sadhe Sati, that is 7.5 period of Saturn planetary period that we will be undergoing. In that, he will be teaching you the lessons regards to the money and the lessons related to relationships and the things which you are attracted towards it. Saturn will snatch you from away from you just to teach you what exactly is the life, what exactly is the life is meant for, and at that point of time you will also learn the purpose of the life, and also you also learn the directions towards your life. Okay, most importantly, Saturn teaches you discipline in the life. Saturn teach you the punctuality. Saturn teach you the way you have to talk to people. Saturn teach you the way you have to behave with the other people. Okay, all these things can be derived from planet Saturn's energy, and Saturn plays an important role for the Capricorn and Aquarius people, because for Aquarius and Capricorn, Saturn becomes the Lord, and Saturn, if at all placed in Libra, he is exalted. If at all he is placed in Aries, he is debilitated. Okay, and most of the people also get married during the 7.5 period Sadhe Sati. If at all you are in the teenage and the Sadhe Sati is happening during that point of time, you might undergo marriage. Okay, and the people whose seventh house has been afflicted by planet Saturn, these people get married after the age of 29. The reason being Saturn represents delays and denials. And most importantly about planet Saturn, Saturn is a planet which will promise you the results, but the results will come little later point of time once you understand what is the purpose of your life, what exactly is your life meant for. All these things you have to keep questioning again and again. And if at all if you respect the time, Saturn just loves for it. Saturn gives you rewards and recognitions the way you respect your time, the way you utilize your time in a proper manner, the way how you are goal oriented, whether you are doing a hard work or not. This is all what Saturn will be observing. Okay, so most importantly, people with strong Saturn, or they're very patient in nature, they love for they have love towards justice, they are righteous in nature, and most importantly they are very helpful in nature as well. Okay, but there are some negative qualities also for from planet Saturn. If at all you have weak Saturn, you will not be getting rewards and recognitions for your hard work, and the results will be very slow manner, and also will be lethargic in nature as well. Okay, so that's about planet Saturn. Thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you need my consultations, please book from the link that is mentioned in the description section. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, and also click on that like button if at all you loved this video, and do mention in the comment section what exactly you loved from this video, so that I know that you are following my videos. Okay, and if at all you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe from to this YouTube channel, because I'll be adding more and more videos related to this. And thank you so much, and really have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.